Good day, class. Today's topic is about simplifying rational algebraic expression. To simplify rational algebraic expressions, we need to factor the given completely and cancel out the similar factors on the numerator and on the denominator. Make sure you already know how to factor polynomials completely. Let's try this example. X squared minus 4 all over x squared plus 4x plus 4. First thing we need to do is to factor the given completely. Let's start with the numerator. X squared minus 4 is an example of difference of two squares. The factored form of x squared minus 4 is the quantity of x plus 2 multiplied to the quantity of x minus 2. Next, the denominator, x squared plus 4x plus 4. The denominator x squared plus 4x plus 4 here is an example of perfect square trinomial. The factored form of the denominator is the quantity of x plus 2 squared. Now let's just put the quantity of x plus 2 squared to its expanded form. Just copy the numerator and write the expanded form of the denominator. And that is the quantity of x plus 2 multiplied to the quantity of x plus 2. Now, since we have a common factor of quantity of x plus 2 on the numerator and on the denominator, we can just cancel them out. Now let's just copy the remaining polynomials. That is x minus 2 all over x plus 2. And that will be our final answer. Let's try another example. 2y plus 4 all over y plus 2. First thing we need to do is to factor the given completely. The numerator 2y plus 4 here can be factored using common monomial factor since they have a common factor. So the factored form of 2y plus 4 is 2 multiplied to the quantity of y plus 2. And for the denominator, since we can no longer factor y plus 2, we're just going to copy it. Now, let's just cancel out the common factor y plus 2 on the numerator and y plus 2 on the denominator, leaving us with 2 on the numerator. And that would be our final answer. Let's try another one. X squared minus 2x plus 4 all over x cubed plus 8. Again, the first thing we need to do is to factor the given completely. For the numerator here, since we can no longer factor x squared minus 2x plus 4, we're just going to copy it. For the denominator here, x cubed plus 8 is an example of sum of two cubes. And the factored form of x cubed plus 8 is the quantity of x plus 2 multiplied to the quantity of x squared minus 2x plus 4. Now, since we have a common factor on the numerator and on the denominator, we can just cancel them out. Since there's nothing left on the numerator, we need to write 1 as the numerator. And just copy the remaining denominator, x plus 2. Our final answer, 1 over x plus 2. Another example, x squared minus 16 all over x squared plus 5x plus 4. Again, we need to factor the given completely. The numerator x squared minus 16 here is an example of difference of two squares. And its factored form is the quantity of x plus 4 multiplied to the quantity of x minus 4. And the denominator x squared plus 5x plus 4 is an example of general trinomial. Its factored form is the quantity of x plus 1 multiplied to the quantity of x plus 4. Now, let's just cancel out the common factor on the numerator and on the denominator, leaving us with x minus 4 on the numerator and x plus 1 on the denominator. Our final answer, x minus 4 all over x plus 1. Let's try another example. 2x squared minus 8 all over 2x plus 8. Again, we need to factor the given completely. The numerator here can be factored using common monomial factor. So the factor of 2x squared minus 8 is 2 multiplied to the quantity of x squared minus 4. The denominator 2x plus 8 can also be factored using common monomial factor. Its factor is 2 multiplied to the quantity of x plus 4. Going back to the numerator, we can still factor x squared minus 4 since it is an example of difference of two squares. Copy the 2 and write the factors of x squared minus 4. Next, just copy the denominator. Now, we can cancel the common factors on the numerator and on the denominator. Then just copy the remaining factor. Our final answer, x minus 4. Another example, the quantity of 2x plus 3 squared over 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. For the numerator here, we're just going to expand the quantity of 2x plus 3 squared. And the denominator is an example of general trinomial. Its factor, the quantity of 2x plus 3 multiplied to the quantity of x plus 2. Next, just cancel the common factors on the numerator and on the denominator. Then, just copy the remaining factors. Final answer, 2x plus 3 all over x plus 2. And for my last example, in case you encounter this type of problem, negative x plus 1 all over x minus 1. Here, you just need to factor out negative 1 on the numerator. And just copy the denominator. Then cancel the common factor on the numerator and on the denominator. Copy the remaining factor, and that will be our final answer. And that's how you simplify rational algebraic expression. Simplifying rational algebraic expression is easy when you already master how to factor polynomials completely. For more mathematics tutorials, please like, share, and subscribe.